If you want to mute notifications from new accounts on X, formerly Twitter, you can do it in just a few quick steps. This is really useful if you're dealing with spam, unwanted replies, or just want to clean a notification feed on a brand new account. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can turn this setting on fast. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. At the bottom or near the lower part of the menu, click More. This opens up the additional settings menu where you'll find account controls and privacy options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account preferences, security settings, and notification controls are located. Next, click Privacy and Safety. Once you're inside that section, look for Mute and Block. This area lets you control what kinds of accounts and interactions you want to filter out. After that, click Muted Notifications. This is the specific section for managing notification muting preferences. Now you'll see the option for With a New Account. Toggle that setting on. Once it's enabled, X will mute notifications from new accounts, helping reduce unwanted activity and keeping your notifications more manageable. That's really all there is to it. If you found this useful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.